In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bar Patrol Inventory app to place your orders to your vendors and suppliers so that they can deliver all of your valuable products to you. How is everyone doing? I'm Dave Allred, the Real Barman, founder and CEO of Bar Patrol Inventory app, the #1 bar inventory app for independent bars and restaurants. Visit us at barpatrol.net to learn more. Now let's check out how to do purchase orders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your purchase orders. On the dashboard on the left side, go to Ordering, Purchase Order, and then if you don't have your PARs and reorder points set, you can add products manually right here. Simply search for your products, just like you do when taking an inventory, the quantity you want, and you can add more products or hit save when you're ready. Then it's going to tell you what your vendor is, and you can simply place the order right here. Otherwise, if you have your PARs and reorder points set, you simply select an inventory, hit Run Purchase Order, and based on your PARs and reorder points, it's going to tell you by vendor what the suggested order is. You can always add more products manually if you want. Once you're ready, you can place all orders if you like what you see, or if you want to place them on certain days, you can do it individually. Simply hit Place Order. You can type in a message if you'd like. And the green check mark tells you that the order has been sent. And the Order Placed button pops up right here so you know it was already ordered. You can do the exact same thing on the app so you can place orders anywhere at any time. In the next video, I'll show you how to receive orders.